I received surgery on November 3rd. I had a complete tear of the right shoulder rotator cuff. And as he's looked at it in his films, he said that it was a pretty severe tear. He explained to me what he was going to do, how long it was going to take, and what I could expect before and after the surgery. Once receiving the surgery, I was allowed to heal and then go back to physical therapy. It started with 3 times a week and went down to twice a week. And between physical therapy and doctor's instructions, I honestly I'm stiff and doing my best to get through the re-strengthening of the muscles, but at the same time, I am not in pain. I really can honestly say that I'm pleased with the results of the surgery. I'm physical during the day. I'm a landscaper by trade, and I'm 51 years old, and I couldn't be happier with the results that I received from Dr. Ramani and the professionalism that I received from his office as well.